So this is just a very short video to explain how to use a TXT translation memory in Studio as you're creating a project. So I've skipped all the initial parts of the project creation. I've come straight to the point where you're adding where you have the opportunity to add your translation memory in the project wizard. So what I'm going to do is click on Add File-Based Translation Memory. The folder I'm going to actually contains the TXT translation memory, but you can see I cannot see it in here. And this is because the default is going to an SDLTM. If I click on the drop down, I get the legacy formats that is supported in here as well. And the last one actually says Workbench and WinAlign export star.txt. It's a little misleading because this is actually not that misleading, I suppose. It used to say just WinAlign export, but now we have the Workbench, which is exactly what it is. So this is the Workbench TXT. I think in 2011 it only says WinAlign. I could be wrong there. But anyway, when I select that, I can now see historytm.txt. So I select on that and open, and this brings up the upgrade wizard. So first of all, I can specify which folder it needs to go into. So I'll let it go into there. And then I have a choice to either do a custom upgrade or a quick upgrade. I'm just going to do a quick upgrade. And what happens is, it first of all converts that to a TMW. So it creates a TMW, which is the other format of a 2007 TRADOS translation memory. And then upgrades the TMW translation memory to an SDLTM. So I can close that, say yes, and that's now created my memory and it's there for use. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to create the project. But if I go back into my folder down here now, instead of just having the TXT translation memory that I had before, I now have the 5 files making up the TRADOS 2007 TMW, so the TMW and the index files here, and I have the Studio TM that's been upgraded SDLTM for me to use in the project. And it's as simple as that.